is your problem. Your device is ready.
Okay. 60, 61, 70.
60, 61,
74.
74. We have QC done. Okay.
Can I just check it? Hello? 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 Can you just talk to me? Hello?
Hello.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes.
Fine, fine. Thank you. It's fine.
Both were ready.
Both the devices are ready, right? And the problem with this? Fine.
Mr. Irfan, are you satisfied with our service?
Yes, I'm satisfied with this.
Okay, I request to give a feedback
Okay, fine.
about our service center.
Sure.
Hello Mr. Irfan, how are you?
I'm fine.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Mohammad Irfan. And I'm a doctor by profession and I work in Yashoda Hospital. Okay, I have been having issues with the phone actually.
Is this your second time visiting?
Yeah, this is my second time I have been visiting over here. Previously it was for my phone and now I have been here for my sister's phone actually. Because I've got to know about this place and I've got a good review about it.
Thank you so much.
My friends, they've suggested me to come over here and get your problems all about your phone. Okay, and the last time which I visited over here, the staff is actually very friendly over here. They'll get to tell you everything what you have got, like problems of your phone, and they'll discuss with you actually. And they'll tell you there's nothing hidden actually, like the process and the fees, everything.
Everything is clear.
Yeah, everything is transparent. It's not like hidden. You'll be charged after this or something like that. It's nothing like that. Everything is transparent over here.
Okay, last time what was the device that you got repaired?
Last time it was my phone, like it had some problems,
What
like
device?
say iPhone 6.
This
Right.
time?
This time it is iPhone 6s. That's my sister's phone actually.
Both of them.
Yeah.
It's two devices or just one?
This time I've just serviced my phone second time and my sister's phone had some
6S.
problem. Yeah.
You're
That's-
completely satisfied with the service.
Yeah, I'm very much satisfied with your phone.
Do you recommend our service center to others?
I'll surely recommend everyone to
Thank
come
you so
over
much,
here.
sir. Anything else you would like to say?
I'll appreciate everyone to come and visit this store. If possible, if you have got any problems with your phone and all, I'll surely suggest this service center.
Thank you.